Welcome to Wahweap RV and Campground, part of Lake Powell Resorts and Marinas, within the Glen Canyon National Recreation Area on Lake Powell, just outside of Page, Arizona. The campground offers 139 full hookup sites. These sites are in loops A, B, C, D, and F. Note, loops A, B, and C have a campground feel with decently level and long sites. Loops D and F are much more of an RV park feel, especially loop F, where the inside of the loop sites are back to back. For tent campers, there are 36 sites for tents only in Loop 1, and in Loops 2, 3, and 4, there are an additional 112 dry and smaller sites that can accommodate tents or RVs up to 30 feet. The sites are reservable online at lakepowell.com. The campground is not operated by the National Park Service, and the pricing reflects that. High site prices plus a $14.99 resort fee per night. And if you don't have the National Park Pass, add another $30 to get in. The sites are assigned to you upon check-in. However, the staff are very open to finding a site that will accommodate your needs. We had Site B12, and in May of 2025, and without the National Park $30 entrance fee, we paid close to $100 a night, a new record in our several years of full-time travel. The campground offers laundry, but again, probably one of the most expensive loads of laundry I have done on the road, showers, and I believe 3 tokens per reservation per day or by purchase, flush toilets, very nice, clean new restrooms, Wi-Fi, and garbage service. There's a very nice camp store full of very cool stuff, a launch ramp, and nearby the beautiful Horseshoe Bend, and this cool art installation in Page. Lake Powell Resorts and Marina also offers houseboats for rent, a lodge, marina, restaurants, and a bunch of other things that weren't really in our plans. The pros: good cell service, nice long level site with a fabulous view, easy dog walking, not a lot of people, and yep, doing a load of laundry. And the cons? Well, the price, of course, and not being able to reserve a specific site online. But we still enjoyed it here, and it gave us a spot to leave our trailer to explore the nearby camping options and nearby sites. If you've enjoyed this quick look at Lake Powell Resorts and Marinas Wahweap RV and Campground, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you're here. As always, thanks for watching.